Hi guys, today we are going to see how to use React 19. Firstly, create an empty project. Just copy this command, run it, name the project, use React. You can use TypeScript also, but I'm going to do with JavaScript. Just go to the project, open it, now let's see. It's still showing React 18. So what we need to do is, firstly, install all the dependencies. After installing all the dependencies, you need to update it to React beta. So what I will do is, I will write this command, which will install the beta version of React and React DOM. As you can see, now it's updated to React 19. Now you can use all the React 19 features which are available on the beta. Thanks guys.